Hey guys, we're here with Tat Granada from Florida Home Improvement Associates today. Welcome Tat, great to have you.
Thank you so much for having me.
So I've been on a bunch of installs with your team, but this is a first. This is our property that we bought for our family, and we are fully renovating this little condo that's on the Gulf of Mexico. This is a big day to move the whole project forward. We're getting the new hurricane impact windows and doors.
Yeah, with your HOA requirements, we had to go with a bronze exterior. We went with a vinyl frame, vinyl door with a bronze extrusion on the outside and white on the inside. So it'll give the light look that you were looking for on the inside, and we were going to meet the HOA requirements for the exterior.
You guys handled it all. You communicated with the HOA. You got the permits for the windows and doors. You went and picked the permit up.
Most municipalities have different codes and different things that we're up against. So we have an in-house department that handles all permitting no matter where we are in the state of Florida. We take care of it so there's no headaches for the homeowner.
Obviously, we're right here by the ocean. We want the view to be as beautiful as possible, which these windows will do, but we also want to keep out some of the sun. So this is perfect for that.
Yeah, we went with a really insulated product. We're also going to go with something that reflects the heat away, makes it a lot more comfortable in here, keeps the hot air out and the cool air in. So we have a great insulated unit. Not only are you going to have great hurricane protection, but it's going to be really energy efficient as well.
And anything we put in here as far as furniture or window treatments, it won't get bleached out because we'll have this added layer of protection.
Yeah, absolutely. It's going to block out 99.5% of the harmful UV rays. So yes, it's not going to fade or discolor any furniture or any of your artwork.
Another requirement that we had here beside the look for the exterior was that we have a lot of sea turtles. So we're getting the sea turtle glass, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's one of the things that also we need to know when we meet with you for the original consultations, exactly where we're located and what some of the specialty requirements are. And in your case, yes, we have to have the turtle glass.
Thanks so much, Tat.